Hello, Professor. We are Group 32. Our paper title is The Impact of Population Aging on China's Medical Market. Let's start by introducing our paper. I will introduce the abstract part on China's population aging trend has led to major changes in the demand for medical service. This article aims to explore the impact of population aging on China's medical market. At the same time, this article also discusses how China's medical system should strengthen the construction of medical facilities and improve medical insurance coverage to cope with the challenges of population aging.
Hello, Doctor. Hello, everyone. Today, my presentation is about introduction. In recent decades, China has undergone remarkable demographic transformations, significantly influencing various socio-economic sectors, with the medical market being one of the most affected. The purpose of this paper is to shed light on the multifaceted impact of population aging on China's pharmaceutical market, which is a phenomenon that presents both challenges and opportunities. The central thesis of this study is to analyze how the aging demographic is reshaping China's medical market in terms of demand for healthcare services, economic implications, and the subsequent response from the government and the private sectors. That's all. Thank you so much.
Part 2, Literature Review. This part will be divided into 4 parts. The first one, the 2 main goals of this study. The first goal is to study the impact of population aging on China's medical market. The second goal is to study the relationship between the number of people over 60 years old and their proportion of the total population on total healthcare expenditures and per capita health expenditures. The second part, the changes in the Chinese healthcare market are closely linked to the growing elderly population, and numerous domestic scholars have put forth varying perspectives on the research of their interconnection. The third part, the main influencing factors of population aging on the medical market. Population aging increases the burden of chronic diseases. As the number of the sequence increases, the quality of medical services need to be improved. It has the demand for long-term care, and the fourth one increase the pressure on medical resources. The last one, medical technology requires continuous innovation. And the last part, our current study is different from past studies for 4 possible reasons. In conclusion, where population aging has opened up opportunities for the healthcare market in China, it also has presented various challenges. Effective policies and systematic reforms are crucial to ensuring the sustainability and efficiency of healthcare services.
Hello everyone, my name is Gai Xingyuan. Today I will introduce this part, methodology. The first one, we will describe the empirical model specification. Look, this picture shows that the independent variables mentioned in this series will affect the dependent variables, China's medical market. The next one, at the same time in this paper, we decided this formula to investigate the effect of population aging on healthcare in our country.
Number 2, estimation techniques. To test the research hypothesis of this actor, we analyze the data using a pen-threshold regression model that fits the data characteristics. We discussed the threshold effect of urbanization level on the impact of population aging on personal health expenditure by dividing interviews. Number 3. Samples of sources. The first, we investigated the impact of China's aging population on healthcare from 2018 to 2022. Number 2, the data sources for each factor are mainly obtained from the National Bureau of Statistics of China, the Chinese Health Department, and related academic journals.
The third part is results and discussion. First, basic regression results. Conduct F-test and Harshman test on the regression model to select the appropriate estimation model. The result shows that the null hypothesis of the F-test and Harshman test are rejected at the one-person level, so the fixed effects model should be selected. Second, validity of diagnostic testing. When the p-value is less than the set significance level, we reject the null hypothesis and the model is valid. Third, the impact of focal variables. The increased income levels has enabled residents to meet their medical service needs. Increases in government medical investment and social medical security levels has reduced residents' medical expenditures. Adequate supply of medical resources increases residents' demand for medical services. The increasing level of urbanization has stimulated residents' demand for medical services. Third is robustness check. The elasticity coefficient of the impact of the population aging index on the total per capita medical expenditure is positive and insignificant, and the size and significance of the estimated elasticity coefficients of the remaining exploratory variables are also basically consistent, which to a certain extent indicates that the panel regression model is more robust. I will introduce the conclusion part. The first part is key findings. This study mainly uses dynamic model data to analyze the impact of China's population aging trend on the demand for medical service and medical expenditure. The two parts is the politics and the recommendations. First, we should strengthen the construction of basic clinics. Second, we should strengthen the construction of basic clinics. Finally, the country should increase the coverage of medical insurance. The above is the entire content of the presentation.